Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mallory and Scott here with Nooe Lawn Care. As you can see, we've done a little bit of mulch here today. And to continue on with the progress or the work for the house today, we're going to play with the chicken coop. Not really a whole lot, just trying to get a few things situated. We've been fairly busy, as you can imagine, with everything growing like it is. We've been mowing, but let's take a break from mowing and let's play with this chicken coop. What do you say? We'll check down here. We just put in these 2x4s. Like I say, nothing's really measured or level. I mean, I have a level, but I'm only using it on a few things. But yeah, getting her together. I've got these little overhangs on the bottoms cut off. I still need to chip up that one. But both sides are done. So now, Mallory and myself are going to start on one of the sides, see if we can get it completed. We've got the back done. I've got this somewhat situated to be ready. But yeah, let's put some sides on it. Mallory's been working on the nails all into pallet wood. We're taking apart pallets. So let's put them on there. Let's see how it looks.
Hey, what you doing?
Don't get a picture of my butt now. We're putting in this roosting bar. We just had it kind of laying in there for now, but go ahead and cut it to size and screw it in. As you can tell, I'm a little more, oh, watch out, baby. I'm a little more comfortable stepping on this guy because it's nice and sturdy now, nice and sturdy, nice and even. Well, no, I take that back. It's not even. I don't know why I said even, but it looks good.
Yeah.
It looks real good.
I'm so excited. So excited. What's the next step?
Well, obviously, we still got one more side to go, and then the scrap pieces go up on the triangles there. Both sides. And then still got to figure out something with the door. I don't know. I might run it all the way up just so we don't have to do any more pallet wood or whatever right there. We'll figure that out. But this side, the two triangles, plywood down on the floor, and then we got some old tile from God knows where. We're going to glue that down to the plywood, and then we'll be ready for some doors. Don't you think?
Yeah.
I
Yep.
think.
Sounds good. It's a plan.
Metal roofing, of course.
Yep.
Run some kind of channel, some kind of gutter system on the back there, so we'll be able to hold water, and we won't have to bring water back and forth.
Yes, which I'm going to enjoy.
Yeah, for sure. Most definitely. Still thinking I've got these 2x4s sticking out right here on this side. I'm still thinking I might make some kind of box and just let that be storage. Just anything and everything we're gonna need, store it in that little box right there. Those 2x4s are running the length of that bottom pallet just to give it a little bit more strength. But yeah. Well, there it is, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. I kind of just put that plywood there just to kind of see how it would fit, kind of see how it would work. But I have some 1x1 tile, a little thin tile, nothing heavy by any means, but little thin tile that I'm gonna put down there on the floor. But yeah, we got another side to finish, got a top to do, got the interior to do. But that is for another day, boys and girls. We greatly appreciate you watching. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you like this kind of stuff, let me know down in the bottom. Leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this kind of stuff. We're definitely going to be putting a lot more of this on the channel. We're more than just a lawn care crew. We do a little bit of everything. A little bit of chicken cooping, a little bit of mowing, a little bit of planting, and just a little bit of Nooe lawn care house life. We appreciate you. Y'all have a good one.